Okay, hey guys, so ignore the lullaby music because we're trying to keep Raylan asleep. We're waiting to pick Asia up from work right now. You can keep it up, it's fine. We're waiting to pick Asia up from work. She gets off at 2. We're here a little bit early, but now someone's walking past. So okay, so we're waiting for Asia to get out from work, and then we're gonna go on a road trip. I can't disclose where we're going because Lauren doesn't know where we're going.
Sadly.
So I can't tell you guys, but I will probably, you know, we'll just let it be a surprise for you guys too. You guys don't need to know. We'll surprise you. But we have a fun day of adventures. What are your top 3 guesses of where? So here's the hint. I gave her a hint and said we're going down as a group of 4 because it's me, Lauren, Asia, and my, well, Raylan, I don't know, I had to explain my daughter, but we're going as a group of 4 and we're coming back as a group of 5. So she's gonna get 3 guesses to see what she thinks we're doing.
Well, at first I thought it was Adam, but I know we're not getting him. So I wanted to guess like a small child.
So her next guess is I didn't tell her, but I adopted a child.
That's what I thought, because like what am I supposed to think? So
okay, so your 3rd guess is that we're picking up an old friend of mine or someone in the family we haven't seen.
Yeah, like, well, like we've seen them, but we just haven't like talked to them or like met up with them.
Okay, and your 2nd guess was we're adopting a kid, and your 1st guess was we're getting Adam.
Yeah.
Okay. We're not getting Adam because he won't be home for about another 2-3 weeks.
I know he was in the first
And then one of you or your siblings will get to ride down with me to get him if you want to.
in Virginia.
Yeah, so another 9-hour car ride.
That was fun last time.
It's more fun when it's just like, never mind, I'm not gonna say that. This will be on the internet. I'm not gonna say that.
It sucked last time because there was like more people.
There's a million people going with us last time and no one could get along, as you and your siblings couldn't get along. Me and my mom had to mediate.
No, I could get along with them. They just kept yelling at
Sibling
me,
drama.
kicking me.
Sibling drama, guys.
And then they kept like
Oh
making
my god, it
lies.
keeps going.
Well,
Sibling drama. So I asked her earlier, I was like, so if we're going to get a kid, like, wouldn't I need a car seat for the kid? And she goes, maybe they're like 10 or something. So then I was like, or maybe like the kid just comes with one. Get a package deal. Get the kid, get the car seat with one. Oh my god. 15 minutes till Asia gets off work. It's the countdown. So, she didn't know I had a YouTube channel, by the way, guys. So her sister's one actually.
I gotta get this video, but please tell me you were not a vlogger.
So, and then she goes, "Oh my god, my cousin's a vlogger." Vlogger. And anyways, I was like, I don't just vlog, like I make other videos. But I told her, she goes, "What's your YouTube channel?" I was like, "No, I'm not disclosing that information." Her sister is actually one of my subscribers on here. So hey, Becca.
Hey, Becca.
And the only reason I'm not telling her, because Becca sat there at my house and watched all my videos. I don't know, I have this thing about listening to my own videos. Like, it's just weird to have people watch my videos in front of me.
Once I find it, I plan to do that.
Have fun, not in front of me or not. You can watch them in your own privacy of your bedroom.
I will, more likely.
You and Becca can have a Cheyenne vlog party.
No.
You can be my manager, my assistant.
Well, my friend Jasmine's becoming a vlogger because she's obsessed with Jake Paul and like Logan Paul and stuff. So she's obsessed with him. So for Christmas, she's getting a tripod, a vlog camera, editing, a computer, and she's like going full out. And I was over here going, well, what's so important? Like, no offense, like, what do you do in your life that's so fun besides just sit at home and watch vlogs? Like, vloggers actually have stuff to do, like adventures to go on, and you just sit at home all day. I don't think anyone's gonna.
Well, I don't just like vlog. Like I vlogged. I think the last vlog we did was my mom's surgery. Before that, we did a pumpkin patch vlog. Before that, we did the vlog of the aquarium. This one will be our road trip vlog. My other videos, I make a lot of different videos. I made a video about the Christmas story project we're doing. I've made get ready with me videos.
Montage.
Yeah, pretty much.
I feel like I wanted to be a vlogger, but I don't do enough stuff in the day.
But vlogging isn't really necessary. It's not just about doing stuff in the day that's interesting. The reason that I like watching vlogs and family vlogs is because, you know, people are letting you into their lives and you get to see, like, the ins and outs of someone else's life. I mean, like,
True.
They have kids and I have kids, and to see how they parent their kids to how I parent my kid. I don't
Well,
know.
if I was to ever vlog, I'd probably have a YouTube channel first and like do tutorials. And, like, what I wanted to do was like do makeup tutorials and stuff. And
Yeah.
then like when I get makeup for Christmas, use that.
You should probably learn how to do makeup first.
I know how to do it, and I'm very, very good at it. I'm not.
I'm
very
just
good.
kidding.
No,
I'm
like
just kidding.
I
She's
agree,
not bad
I'm
at makeup.
Hmm.
She doesn't. I'm teaching her some stuff. Earlier let's show your face off. So earlier she put on some really light eyeshadow, and she didn't have a lot of mascara on, so it just kind of made her whole face look washed out. So I had her put some more mascara on. She doesn't like going dark on eyeshadow because she doesn't know like how to go dark on eyeshadow.
No, like I know. I just
So-
don't really like it because I don't really have any besides black.
Okay, well, we're gonna teach her. Oh, guys, so guess what? So we went this morning and we ended up with a bag of Panera bagels.
No, they suck.
Panera bagels.
They suck. They suck.
Okay, so they're not the best.
They suck.
I normally only make sandwiches when I'm like eating bagels. I use them to like put stuff on. I don't really eat regular bagels. So they had them all mixed in a bag, okay? They put them all together. So this is a cheese and onion one. I tried it.
It's very disgusting.
It's gag worthy.
Gag worthy.
She tried a plain bagel. We still have, I don't remember what this one is anymore. No, it has some form of like something inside of it. It looks like nuts or something. I don't know. Then we have a chocolate chip and a blueberry. The chocolate chip I'm actually kind of want to try, but I'm not I'm sure. I'm really starting to. Yeah, never mind. These are both blueberry. They're neither of them are chocolate chip. That was disappointing. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe they're just smeared on the other. I don't know, guys. We have bagels for the car ride. For the fun of it, even though we're gonna go get food. We should got like other bread besides bagels. Yeah, I don't care, but I'd rather you eat food than get a milkshake.
Yeah, but I've been eating goldfish all day.
Oh my. The goldfish are swimming in her stomach. It's so filling.
I already had like a whole bag of goldfish.
She's ridiculous over here. I can't even deal with her. Alright, guys, we'll check with you in a little bit. Asia's gonna be out here in a little bit, and yeah, we're gonna get off here. So, hasta la vista. Where the hell are we? Like, where are we? I don't know. I think that's an outhouse.
Can we just take one and run?
No.
I don't know why we're here, but I just want to take one and run.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Oh my god, we should have brought the cats here. Okay.
Oh, found it.
I
There's
think-
a person.
Stay away from the kitty cat. That one ear.
We'll clean it. We'll keep it clean.
Well, I think it's okay, but that's why I took 10 off. I want him to be perfect with
Yeah.
me, but on the other hand, part of the reason why he's a good puppy is he's had
Experience, yeah. Alright, let's get him out of here.
he's buying more food for the rest of them.
Bye.
Yeah, I cannot.
Here we go. So exciting. I've never like gotten a dog like from like a breeder, and I've never drove this far for a dog either.
Yeah, well, if you didn't get murdered.
We thought we were gonna die.
Should we not have came here?
Oh my god, one of them got into the trash. I'm gonna take one more clip of these little girls because they're so freaking adorable. But don't take him over here because I would feel so bad if he's whining. No, I love them. They're so sweet and so cute. They're so adorable.
I feel so bad. I want
First time in the... I know.
First time in the jump or anything. Just
You can get him in the car.
You wanna go inside? Get in the car? Oh, here you go.
First time in the car.
Yeah.
This is so exciting. Oh, wait. You have my keys.
I gave them to Raylan.
Well, then they're still inside. Well, let's make sure they're not in anybody's pockets first.
Not mine.
They should be on the couch in there if I don't have them.
You're getting fairly a little bit heavy.
I can unlock it. Yeah, go inside. Just knock and tell them that we left the keys somewhere on their couch because she was playing with them.
Okay.
He's just chilling. I'm trying to.
Oh, I see little puppies. Say hi, little puppies. Hi, little puppies. Say hi. You're so cute too. Oh, I want you all. So these are the same breed. These are from the same breed as the brother. Oh my God! There's cats climbing in my car. Out. Oh, lovely.
I have to turn my phone off. It's on 5%.
That's fine.
I wanted pictures.
stupid thing to have happen. See, okay, how are you gonna have a little town but no gas? No. No. One of those is supposed to be some form of like a hotel. It's bringing us in towards like independence and stuff. Well, at least I think it is, because I saw a Newport sign back there, so. He's so much bigger than his siblings. Like, I wanted to get one of the girls just because they're littler, but I want a boy because we want a boy, so. But, like, that's to be expected with huskies. Like, their boys are always way bigger than the females. Like, fluff-wise, at least. Should work. Okay, yeah, there we go. And I didn't hit any white lines this time. I actually think it might be upside down, but that's okay. You know what? It's cool. It's whatever. It works. Just imagine, just imagine. Yeah, we're changing stations. That's just, I mean, it's good. Oh my goodness, I wish I would have seen that. I would have stopped to eat dinner. It's a restaurant.
That was pretty.
I know, and I'm hungry. What's this? It's not a restaurant, that's a house. Okay. That's not a house, that's a weird, creepy shit.
How would we eat in a restaurant?
We're in the country, you take good care of my technology.
trying to open it.
Hey! Annie, she's not hurting the baby. Or he's not hurting the baby. Whatever. No one's hurting the baby. Everyone stop. Share the baby.
She doesn't know what's going on. She's all happy.
Today is day 2 of having Aquila. His name was originally Maya, and Adam renamed him Aquila. Raylan absolutely loves him. He went to his vet appointment this morning and everything's good. He's a hefty boy. He's about 3 months old and he weighs 22 pounds. It's a little bigger than, it's a lot bigger than his age range. So he's huge for his age, and he's gonna be a huge dog. And we went and see my grandma. She's having some health problems. I'm not gonna get into that on here right now. I might make a separate video about it. But she's just got some health problems, so we've been at the hospital. That's why I haven't been filming. This isn't the kind of stuff I want to film, and just needed to be a private moment and private times. So Lauren's still here. She's going home in a little bit. Yeah. So we're gonna watch a Halloween movie. Lauren's gonna wash her hands. We're gonna hang out, watch a Halloween movie. You guys will see. I might do like a puppy training video or puppy baby something. I don't know. We'll see. I'll find some puppy video to do just to.
Like how to get your dog along with other animals.
Well, I would do that if Annie got along with other animals. She does get along with them. It's just that, like, even when we brought, like they're fine together. Like, they're in the kitchen together right now. But I think the problem is just that, like, Annie's loud. And, she's just really loud. And Raylan's so close to walking, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. So I put both hands on it.
That still looks really bad.
Who did that again?
One of the cats. Wasn't Skittles because I didn't think.
Annie Boo. Annie Boo. Yep. Head to the right. Oh, thank you, oh, thank you, oh, thank you, oh God. I'm getting murdered.
He's walking in and out.
Oh God, oh God. I know the Dutch braid. I did it inside out French braid. Maybe.
If you love me, that's a long shot. Crap.
Oh God.
Can't get my sweater off me. I sure got 10 hoodies on.
It's getting my
Oh
hair.
well.
She's attacking.
This is cute. I like this.
It is cute. But German Shepherds and Pit Bulls are so dangerous around children.
Why is my hair like this? It's like Peyton.
What?
The makeup brush Ryan's playing with.
I don't know where it's at.
Right there.
That's cool. The dog just pulled my hair out and Raylan's climbing across me like a psycho. Oh my God. She just goes right across. No care in the world for anyone else. Annie just wants to be part of the video. What the heck are you doing? If anything, she's dangerous to me. She kicks me and pulls out my poor little hairs.